Hey guys, welcome to your English class. Today in English class, we are going to study our lesson 7.3. The name of the lesson is the importance of trees. Why are trees important in our life? What are some gifts we get from the trees? So we are going to learn about trees and recycling in this lesson. So the key word is wood. Wood can be recycled in some cases. Listen and read what are some gifts we get from trees. Name 5 things, then listen and read to learn more. So here, these are the gifts we can get from the trees. Gifts from trees include oxygen, wood, shelter, fruits, nuts, and home. How many animals are in these trees? Look here, there are monkey, there are birds, there are a lot of animals that live on a tree. In one tree, there are many animals, they make their houses, like birds, worms, all these ants, all these animals, they live because of tree. Some live on the top of the tree, some live under the tree, some live in the between the tree. So tree provides them shelter. Tree gives us fruits. Tree gives us fresh air. They gives us nuts, and it also provides homes for many animals. Okay, let's read gifts from trees. Can you think a fruit that grows on a tree? Which fruit grows on a tree? A lot of fruits that grow on a tree. Like what? You can write easy apple. Apple grow on a tree. Orange. Easy. I'm just writing easy. There are a lot of plants that there are a lot of fruits that grow on a tree. Apples, mangoes, cherries, and many other fruits do. Nuts grow on trees too. People and animals eat the fruit and nuts of trees. Trees are also homes for many animals, including birds, monkeys, frogs, lizards, and snakes. All these animals, where they live on a tree. Where they live on a tree. Okay, disappearing trees. What is the meaning of disappearing trees? That trees are being vanished from the earth. Why they are being vanished? Because many people, they cut the trees, they use the wood, and they don't grow new plants or trees. Let's read it. All over the world, people are cutting down trees. Why they cut trees? Because they want wood. Wood comes from the trees, you know that. But what people are doing, they are cutting, every day they are cutting trees for the wood. But if you want to cut one tree, you should grow 2 trees more. You should put 2 plants more so that it does not disappear from the earth. People cut down trees to make room for new buildings. They cut down trees to get more wood. They are they are vanishing the trees and they are making space to make their houses, buildings. So what happens that it is not giving it the trees are vanishing and uh, trees are vanishing from the land. People use wood to make fires for cooking and warmth. They use wood to build houses and boats and furniture. They use wood to make paper. When trees are cut down, animals lose their homes. Look, when the trees are cut, where the animals go, they lose their home. They don't have any place to make their homes. They are fewer trees to clean the air. You know that what a plant do, they take in carbon dioxide and they release oxygen. And humans, they need oxygen to breathe. We need oxygen to breathe. When there is no more trees, the air will be not clean. So what will happen? The environment is not going to be clean, and there is not much air to breathe. Okay, moving on to the next. Help save the trees. Huge numbers of trees are cut down every day. Forests are disappearing. What is the meaning of this? Forests are disappearing because they are cutting all the trees and they are making their buildings. They are using the wood to make furniture. They are using the wood to make papers. So what is happening? The trees are getting lesser and lesser. So what we should do? How can children help? In some school, children plant trees. In many school, children try to use less paper. So what we are going to do? We should not waste paper and we should grow more and more trees in order that to keep our environment clean. They write on both sides of each piece of paper. They cut use paper in a recycling box. You know that there are some things that we can recycle like paper, plastic, glass. So we should use less paper. We should not waste paper. Whenever you people are cutting the paper or making paper planes, what I tell you, don't do that. Why? Because you are misusing the paper. So you should use less paper and you should write on the both sides of the paper. A recycling factory uses old paper instead of wood to make new paper. When we recycle paper, fewer trees are cut down. So what we are going to do, we should recycle, we should put the papers in the recycle bins and we should use less amount of paper. We should not waste the papers. Okay. Find the matching picture. What can you make from recycled paper? Okay, match these papers for pictures with their name. First one is boxes. Number 2, cards. Number 3, magazines. And number 4 is nappies that the babies wear. And paper towels we use in the washroom and after we use washroom, we make ourselves dry with the help of paper towels. So all these can be made from recycled paper. Look around the classroom. Name all the things that are made from wood. Don't forget the paper is made from wood. So see in the classroom, what are the things that are made from wood? Doors are made of wood. Table are made of wood. Paper are made from wood and pencils are also made from wood. So write these in the front of question number 3, door, table, paper, and pencil. All these 4 things are made of wood. We made it from wood. Okay, boys, open your English notebooks and write these vocabulary words in the English notebook. First word is nuts, almonds, and peanuts. All these are called nuts. Then second word is cut down. To cut down trees or anything, it's called cut down. Wood, you know what is wood. Here is the picture of the wood. Warmth. When we lit a fire or a heater and what we do? We warm our hands. Okay, the fifth word is furniture. All these things are made of wood and these are called furniture. Then we have loose and we have recycling. These are the recycling bins in which we can put the stuff that can be recycled. Paper, plastic, and no, paper, glass, and plastic. So write this in your English notebook, boys.